Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're going to see how to use for loop using bash script on Oracle Linux 9.2. A bash for loop is a bash programming language statement that allows code to repeatedly execute. A for loop is classified as an iteration statement. First I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next I am going to create a script file to count name server in /etc/reso.conf by using for loop. First line should be shebang command. Next I am going to give the executable file permission for the script file by using the following command. Next I am going to long list the file by using the following command. Executable file permission is set at. Next I am going to execute the script by using the following command. Our script show there is a one server name server present in the file. Next I am going to enter into the /etc/reserve dot so file and check what are the executive value is corrected or not, and then add another name server in this file. Add that server. Save and exit from the file. Again run the script to check our script execute the correct value after the changing occurs in above configuration file. Now our script execute the correct value. This is a process to use for loop using bash script on Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.